From golden durum wheat to perfectly shaped pasta, discover the incredible technology behind modern pasta production.
Inside this advanced pasta factory, carefully selected wheat transformed through a highly automated process into millions of packages of pasta.
The process begins with carefully selected durum wheat, valued for its strength, golden color, and ability to produce high-quality pasta.
Before becoming pasta, the durum wheat passes through multiple cleaning and sorting systems that remove unwanted particles and defective grains.
The cleaned durum wheat is carefully milled into golden semolina flour, the essential foundation of high-quality pasta dough.
Precisely measured semolina flour and purified water are combined to create the firm, elastic pasta dough needed for the next stage of production.
After mixing, the fresh pasta dough rests under carefully controlled conditions, allowing its texture to stay.
Vacuum processing removes trapped air from the pasta dough, creating a denser and more uniform structure for precise shaping.
Powerful compression systems transform the prepared pasta dough into a dense, uniform mass ready for high-precision extrusion.
The compact pasta dough is forced through precision dies, transforming it into the familiar shapes we know as pasta.
For spaghetti, the pasta dough is extruded into long, perfectly uniform strands. They move continuously through the production line. For penne pasta, tubular dough is extruded and cut into identical pieces with the signature angled ends.
Specialized dies and cutting systems transform pasta dough into the familiar curved tubes of macaroni. The
specialized forming mechanisms twist the pasta dough into the distinctive spiral shape of fusilli pasta. High-speed precision cutters divide the freshly formed pasta into exact lengths, ensuring every piece meets strict production standards. Before drying, every pasta shape is checked for accurate dimensions, consistent texture, and a perfect appearance.
Artificial intelligence scans thousands of pasta pieces every minute, detecting shape defects and removing products that fail quality standards.
With every shape inspected and approved, the freshly formed pasta now moves into carefully controlled drying tunnels to develop.
The freshly formed pasta first enters a gentle pre-drying stage, where controlled airflow removes surface moisture without damaging its.
Inside the main drying tunnel, carefully controlled heat gradually removes moisture and gives the pasta its long-lasting texture and shelf stability. Temperature and humidity are precisely adjusted throughout the drying process to protect the texture and quality of every pasta shape.
After drying, the pasta is gradually cooled to stabilize its final texture before entering the quality control and packaging stages.
Laboratory technicians test the moisture content of the pasta to confirm that every batch meets strict quality and storage standards.
After drying, the pasta is gradually cooled to stabilize its final texture before entering the quality control and packaging stages. High-speed cameras inspect the final dry pasta, detecting broken pieces, unusual shapes, and imperfections before packaging. Before packaging, every pasta product passes through advanced food safety inspection systems for an additional layer of protection. Computer-controlled weighing systems measure precise portions of pasta, ensuring every package contains the correct amount.
Once measured, the dry pasta is automatically filled into sealed packages designed to protect freshness and quality.
Each package receives complete traceability information, allowing every pasta product to be tracked from factory production to the final customer. Robotic systems rapidly organize individual pasta packages into shipping cartons, preparing them for warehouse distribution.
The finished pasta packages are robotically palletized and stored, ready to begin their journey to supermarkets and kitchens around the world.
After production is complete, pallets of packaged pasta are loaded onto transport trucks. From the factory, packaged pasta travels through a carefully organized distribution network before reaching supermarkets and stores.
At regional distribution centers, thousands of pasta products are sorted and organized before being sent to individual supermarkets.
After traveling from the factory through the distribution network, packaged pasta finally reaches supermarket shelves, ready for customers.
From carefully selected durum wheat to a finished meal, every pasta product completes a remarkable journey from factory to kitchen.
From golden durum wheat to perfectly shaped pasta, subscribe to Mega Factory Universe for more amazing